Oh, Romeo, oh, Romeo. Where are they?
Mama, you in the wrong play.
Again?
We at Hamlet, just outside of Swellendam. This is not Romeo and Juliet.
Oh,
This
my
is the
goodness.
Hamlet.
Okay, but there's no reason why this can't be a romantic weekend.
Ooh, we're going there again.
Again.
Welcome, welcome. Yeah,
Yes.
and welcome in Swellendam, just outside of Swellendam.
Yeah.
On the Hamlet Country Retreat.
Yeah, and what a country it is. Look
Yeah.
at this little piggy running around here.
My goodness, look at
Pumbaa.
this. Pumbaa?
Pumbaa
He's
is
coming to say hi.
Pumbaa is 3 months old.
Yo.
Hello, Pumbaa.
Let me come closer to Pumbaa.
Hello,
Pumbaa.
Hello.
This is farm life for you, huh?
Yes.
Don't come too close.
A little piggy went to market.
You want to bite my shoes? Normally I'm the piggy.
Yeah.
And now we've got another piggy for
Another
this
piggy.
weekend.
He likes shoes.
Yeah, he likes these shoes.
Yeah. Oh,
Just don't
you're
get
the-
on.
No.
Okay,
Okay.
let's
so
go
let
in.
them show them. We are staying at the Orchard House, and there's another lot of accommodation. We'll show you later.
Yeah, this is the Orchard Cottage.
So let's see what's happening here.
Pumbaa, you can't come in. He's going to be our shadow for the weekend,
Yeah.
I'm sure of
I'm
it.
going to put him in the hot tub later on. Welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, Mama, I spy with my eye. A spoil.
Jeez, when you walk in, you see the wine.
I just see the
What's
wine.
wrong
huh?
with you?
Yo, lekker.
Look what I see.
Oh my goodness, I didn't see that.
So when you sleep at the Hamlet, you can order a breakfast.
Okay.
This is our breakfast for tomorrow.
Oh, did they give it to us?
Yes.
Thank you
so
very much.
We got it, but you can order it.
Okay.
If you stay here, you can order it and they bring it to you.
Wow.
And then the next morning you cook your own breakfast.
I'm sure this is very...
Ooh, so soft.
Freshly
Yes,
baked.
she said she's not going to wrap it because it was still hot.
I reckon that's why it's
But
on top, yeah.
Very nice. You've got, I know it's condiments, they call this. It's strawberry jam and
Okay.
stuff like that. There's
Fruit.
2 avos, there's
It's not avos, Mama. That is
Grenadellas.
Grenadellas.
Oh, sorry. Farm butter.
Oh, lekker.
They give you cheese. Look at this cheese.
Oh my goodness, that's cheese for a week.
Lievelang.
Huh?
And the brie cheese.
And the brie cheese.
Yes, and then they give you muesli.
Oh, okay. And eggs.
And eggs. And that's not all. Before I show the house, look at this. I give you
Oh, the bacon.
smoked bacon.
Wow.
That is with the breakfast that you get. This is, I think, this is
Oh,
cream.
this is the yogurt.
Yogurt
That's the yogurt for the muesli. Yeah,
and
yeah,
you
yeah.
get a whole liter of milk.
Wow, and water.
And-
I'm actually quite thirsty.
And then you get the carrots. The carrots is to feed the donkeys.
Okay.
Yeah. That's very nice. And
Well,
some cold water.
I don't trust the donkey.
There's a little baby. Okay.
Okay, so this side.
So this side, you've got a full working kitchen. There's a grater, there's the cutlery,
I like these open
Yeah.
shelves. It's nice.
and then there's the...
Ooh, lekker rask, Mama. With cherries in them. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
And
Lekker.
also, sugar, rooibos tea, coffee, Nescafe, sweetener.
5 roses. Oh my,
Jeez,
yes, you've
rooibos
got
and
how do
5
they how do they say you've got an array of things to drink?
Of things to drink. And if you don't like that, you take
You're gonna have the wine. I'll have the wine,
Yes,
thank you.
Yeah. And a lot of utensils to use. There's,
Oil.
There's a gas
Okay.
little thing because you don't have to make food. You order your food.
Yeah.
And if there's a inside braai,
Oh yeah, I didn't even see this.
if it's cold outside or whatever, and you want to have a nice
It's like a
romantic like
Oh.
Romeo and Juliet.
Oh,
You sit here, you light the fire,
it's
and
like a
you
nice
just smooch
fire
away.
hookie, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
So,
now on
So-
to the where's the bedroom?
so you can enter from the back door or you can enter from the stoep.
Okay.
We came in through the kitchen, so now you are entering the nice lounge area.
My mother had
Those chairs.
chairs like that. Remember?
Yes.
2 of them.
Yeah, there's 2
There's 2 I
also.
see, yeah. Wow.
Okay, so this is the lounge area. If you want to chill, there's Wi-Fi, full Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I saw.
So you can use that. And
Okay,
then
and there's another kacheltjie at
there's
this
another
side
kacheltjie.
for the lekker cold winter months,
Yes.
evenings.
Yeah, and then This is a 4-sleep. It's quite big.
4 sleep.
4-sleep. So come, let's take you into the
Okay.
first bedroom.
So this is obviously not our bedroom. No, this is the
Now, this is where the 2 single beds are.
kids or the friends.
Yeah, as we always say.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they've got their own bathroom on this side.
Okay.
Ja,
En suite.
klein maar getrein.
Ag, lekker.
So 'n wasbakkie, 'n stort
En 'n potty.
met 'n deur. So as jy wil geraas maak, maak dit deur.
Oh, wie raas nou in die toilet, hè?
Wel, my maag is nie lekker nie.
Yes, you can feel this is the farmhouse.
Yeah,
It's
with
cool
this
inside, huh?
big, thick
yeah, it's so
walls.
cool in here. You don't
Yeah.
actually need aircons.
No.
Sure.
Good. So now this is our room. Very nice and spacious.
Lekker.
And big.
Are you going to jump? You haven't jumped in a long time.
I'll try.
I think you must jump.
I'll do this.
Oh, no. That wasn't a jump, man.
No, this is a fall. A free fall.
That was a free fall, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at all the cushions.
Nice.
Sure.
Nice.
We're going to have a lekker sleep here tonight.
Yes. And on this side, they give you the towels for the hot tub. There's a
Okay.
hairdryer.
I see you've got your vanity out already.
Yes, I've got my venti. I have to put on my lipstick before I can put that on.
Okay.
And
this is an
a
old
nice
cupboard.
Old cupboard, but there's lots of space to pack out all
Yeah.
your stuff.
And we've also got a
Now we've got a nice
ensuite.
ensuite, the same as the
Okay.
previous one. The wasbakkie, a shower.
I'm going to have to do something here.
She said she's just wanted to see if you are going to fit.
Yeah, but I'm going to just
Adjust
lift
it.
Adjust it. See, now it's nice and high.
So you can adjust
Now it's
it.
nice and high.
Okay, so you fit. Happy days.
Yeah. Happy days. That's normally what I have to do if it's an adjustable shower.
Yes. And then you've got your potty.
Yeah. On my outside, I'm
Okay.
interested in outside.
Yes, it's like a nice
I've just-
kuier area.
I've just koekeloerd there quickly.
Ooh, jy moet nie koekeloer jong. Kyk net hier.
Wow.
Sien.
This is so
Your own
beautiful.
courtyard.
Huh? I
Very
love it.
nice.
I love it.
Yeah.
Hot up in the corner.
And they have already lit it for
They
us.
already lit it.
Yes, they
Oh,
already
wow.
lit it. So
It's smoking already.
we can get in an hour's time, I think, if
Wow,
we've
wow,
unpacked
wow.
and everything.
Yeah, we must just take the cover off. I'm sure
Yes.
it's hot already.
Yeah. And,
Okay.
there we are going to sit and have nice drinks.
And breakfast tomorrow morning,
and
I'm sure.
breakfast, yeah. And
Yeah.
on this side, nice 2 lounges.
Okay.
So I think that when the sunshine is coming in on this too, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Look at this deck here.
yeah, the deck is all around, eh?
Just see.
Very nice. And this time is nice garden.
Yeah. There's the other houses.
Yeah,
Yo, it's a nice
down
property,
there.
this.
But what a nice view to that side.
Yeah. Everything is so nice and green
Yeah,
here.
beautiful. Okay,
Sure.
so if you are not using this side, you can follow me to your side.
My side.
Your side.
I must always have this little bedkie here.
This side is your side.
This
that's
little bed
my
here.
side.
huh?
That's my
What
side.
must I do on this bed? Is that a tanning bed?
I'll show you what I can
Huh?
do on this bed.
Must we lie here and tan?
No, you, Brian, I lie.
I'm Brian, you lie.
I'm watching
Mama,
you.
you're a poet and you don't even know it.
I'm watching you and you, Brian, there.
Oh, this is the outside braai.
This is the outside
wow,
braai.
okay.
Nice, with a nice little wasbakkie.
Yeah, I like it when they got like a wasbakkie here.
Yeah, and they give you ample wood. Wood there.
Wood, I saw
wood
there's
at
wood
the hot
inside.
tub, Wood at the
Yeah.
binneste braai.
I saw, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
If you stand here and you look
I
at
love this.
if you look at here, you've got a lot of space. Look at this open space. This is all yours.
Sure.
Everything down there.
Yeah.
Everything.
Oh, this is nice and big.
Yeah.
Yo, I like
you can
it.
have a party or
I
a
like it. I
dance.
like it a lot.
Yes.
Before we start unpacking and start partying, we must just go and show them the other places
Okay.
before the other people come,
Yes,
because
because they are actually
they're on their way. I know she
Yes.
said they're going to come soon,
Yeah.
and I think there's 3 houses you said that
yes,
it's going to be full tonight.
They've already lit all the hot tubs
Yeah.
for the people.
So let's go through here,
Yes.
and then we just go and show them the others quickly.
Okay.
Quickly.
Let's go.
We're just going to rush through them.
Yeah. So that you have options.
Yeah, it's always good to have options.
Options. Okay. There's 4 accommodations. The one we are in is the orchard we told you about. Then there's a rose, there's a mountain view, and then there's another one, I can't remember the name now. But I'm going to show you inside, it's beautiful.
Yeah, we must do it before the other people come.
Yes. We've got the 4 sleep, then there's a 2 sleep and a 2 sleep, and the one is a 3 bedroom. Very nice.
Which one are we going to do first? This
one.
Wow.
Look at this.
Jeez.
They are
I immediately in love with this
great.
counter here.
They are going to
Ja.
make this a wedding venue, so then this will be the honeymoon where the new bride and groom will be staying. So
Sure.
then this is a nice big area with a very big king-size bed.
Ja.
Let's see what's
Look
going
at this
on.
lightless on.
Yes, very
Wow.
beautiful.
Huh?
It's like farm style with modern touch.
Yeah.
Look at
Jeez.
this bed.
That is a massive bed. It's a pity
So the groom and bride's gonna in the middle of a bed like this.
It's a pity you can't jump on that bed because the people are coming soon.
Yeah. Okay, and then inside here is a big shower. Oh my goodness, look at this bathroom. Look at this bathroom.
Jeez. It
never stops.
Huge.
Wow.
Jeez.
This is quite nice.
Yeah.
So she
this
wanted to give us this one, but it was
It's
already
booked,
booked.
yeah.
But come and look at this.
So is this their pride and joy?
This is their pride and joy. It's a 2-sleeper. They're gonna, as I said, do this as the honeymoon suite when somebody comes.
Yeah.
So if you walk in here, it's a very big stoop.
Wow.
So all this opens up.
Wow.
All this
I see that. I see
open
that.
up. And
That's
if you look
stackable
there,
shutters.
shutters.
Sure.
So if you open everything up, you're on the swimming pool. Everybody
wow.
can use the swimming pool, but look
That
at
is
this.
so nice.
There at the back is the donkeys that you can give that carrots to that in our fridge that we showed you.
Yeah, and this one also got a hot tub. I saw the smoke. Yeah, I saw the
on
smoke
that
on this side. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a hot tub as well. Yeah, it's going. Okay.
Yeah.
They all got hot tubs.
Yes.
Sure.
Quite nice.
Very nice. Very, very, very nice.
Yes.
Wow.
So this is a 2-sleep.
Yeah.
Honeymoon, baby.
Huh. Mama, next time I ask you to marry me, you bring me here.
Okay. The next one. Let me just see. I think this one is the rose.
The rose.
The rose.
There's also a hot tub here.
Yes?
Yeah, there we go, behind this. Okay, yeah. Nice and private.
Sy is nog besig hier binne.
Zijn nog bezig. Ons kan net so vinnig
Net
inloop.
so vinnig in.
Ja.
Nice sitting area.
Ja.
Hello.
We just want to quickly.
Just
We're not
do a
gonna disturb
roundabout.
you.
You can go on.
Wow, look at this bed.
This is
My
a very
goodness.
nice coffee
huh?
bed. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. With the sitting area, there's a nice
Oh, the same as the other one, yeah.
yes, where you can make some
Kacheltjie.
fire. And then you've got this big bathroom in here as well.
All of these places have got these huge bathrooms.
Yes, with a nice bath. And
Yo, look at that mirror.
Yeah.
Wow. I knew you were going to like that.
Yeah. And
Okay,
ample space
cool.
to pack out your clothes.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is also 2-sleep.
This is also 2-sleep.
Okay.
I'm going
On to
show
the next
you.
one. What is this? Oh, this is the kitchen. Sure. Everything you need.
Everything you need. I got my names wrong. The honeymoon one
Yeah?
is the palm.
Well, okay.
Because it's got palms.
Okay. Yeah, I see
Yeah.
these palms here, yeah.
Yes. So the one I'm going to show you now is a 3-bedroom. That is mountain view.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And this other one was rose.
That was the rose. So,
So I suppose they can also use this.
yes, everybody can
Everybody
use
can
the
use
pool.
the swimming pool.
Yeah, she said we can come and swim. I told her I don't
No,
like cold
it's-
water.
It's not swim
Yeah.
weather yet.
So you can sit here
Okay.
and you can watch there.
Jeez, but look at this view, Lizanne.
Very nice. Very nice.
This is just crazy.
There's the cows, the donkeys is there. The donkeys that you can feed.
Yeah.
You go in, there's a gate there you can go in. And then you can walk to them.
Okay.
And you can go and feed them.
And
Yeah.
these people are also coming because
Yeah,
I see they also lit up the hot tub for them.
3 houses are full. So
Yeah.
come and look at this nice big one.
So we're going to be a lot of people this weekend, huh?
Yes. They've got the outdoor braai there.
Okay.
And the hot tub you saw.
Ah.
Let me just see where you go in.
Yeah, we can go in here, I'm
But,
sure.
I'm not sure. I think it's on the other side.
Geez, these walls
Oh,
are
no.
white. I haven't got
Yeah,
my sunglasses
It's
on.
like the old farmhouses with thick walls.
Oh,
so
yeah.
It's nice and cool,
Cool inside.
Look at this. This
Sure.
is now a 3-sleeper, right?
Smells nice in here.
So there you got the room with the 2 single beds.
Okay.
A nice big sitting
Why
area.
are we whispering? They're not here yet.
A nice big sitting area with a kacheltjie there.
Oh, je moet lekker wees, jong.
Jong, so heel die mekaar.
You're scared somebody's going to
Yeah,
lie
this
in
is
the bed
all
here.
Okay, then this is the 1 bathroom.
Yeah.
It's also with a poetjie's bad. There's a shower at the
Oh,
back.
there's a shower here.
And the potty.
Yep.
Okay, and then the kitchen is small because you can order breakfast here. They bring you everything, you make it yourself. Very nice.
Okay.
It's just a little kitchen. There's another braai area inside.
Wow.
In the kitchen area where you can sit. Like a
Okay.
biscuit.
There's also tea and coffee and everything.
Everything,
Yeah. And some oils and stuff.
Yeah.
Sure, but it's a big place.
There's 3 bedrooms.
And this is the main bedroom.
This is one of the rooms, yeah. Very
Yeah.
nice. No, this is not the main
It's not the
room.
main.
That's just the second room.
Okay.
And then the main room is on this side. And the main room
Oh, this is the main room.
in here.
Yeah, I see.
Nice.
Okay, well, they both can be the main room.
Yeah. But
This bed is just a
bigger
little
one.
bit higher.
A bigger room as well, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Nice.
cool.
Yes.
Now let's go and
Sexy.
party. I'm tired now.
Let's do it.
I need something for the kill.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Don't fall in.
Not this weekend.
Not this weekend. Listen, I love these palms, huh?
Yeah.
Yes,
Tropical vibe.
it is, definitely. Yeah. This is a
Go.
very nice place. Beautiful.
Yeah, and everywhere in the gardens there's like places to sit. She said there.
Oh, I see
If
up
you
top
sit
there.
the sun go down there. And
Yeah,
if they sit here on a weekend, they sit here and they just watch the sunset with
Yeah,
a nice
but
drinky.
the weather is this weekend. The weather is not so lekker.
So lekker. But it's nice with
Sure.
all the rocks and stuff.
Yeah. Look at the chickens, Mama.
Yeah.
So if the braai doesn't work out tonight, we can always come and
You're on a farm.
slaughter a chicken. My love, today we haven't got anyone to do a shout out for. So today I am gonna do a shout out for you.
For me.
Yeah, towards you.
Let me hear it.
You wanna hear
I
it?
want to hear it.
I wanna thank you
Yay.
for putting up with me.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
With all these videos and making of the videos and editing and this angle and that angle and
Yeah.
someone just gooi everything together and
Yeah.
it's not always easy.
Mag klaar.
It's not always easy. And she just take it like a champion.
Oh, wow.
Mama, so this one is definitely on you. I'm gonna gooi a triple skiki today. You see?
That is your glass.
Yeah, that's mine. That's a triple skiki. Just
Yes, yes, yes.
because that's how much I love you.
Okay, but then you must fill it to the top.
That's how much I love you. You see?
Thank you very much.
So yeah, it's nice to be able to just do a shout out for you. Huh?
It's very special.
Yeah.
You won't?
You didn't see
No.
this one come, huh?
No, I didn't see this
You
one
didn't see
coming.
it coming. Now I can't remember
Yeah,
which
yeah,
one
that
was mine.
one's mine. I've been checking this out.
Cheers, my love. I really mean what I said.
Oh, thank you very much.
You a star.
Oh.
And I'm sure they will also agree when I say you a star. It's not easy. And me on my own is not easy. I'm difficult. And putting me in this video setup is even worse.
Yeah, and I must also say, I take my hat off to you
Yeah?
because I think it's a very difficult task to film me because it's always the angle must be
It's
right,
not
lipstick
easy.
must be on, the hair must be perfect.
So what are you saying? That shout
Thank
out
you
is,
for the shout
shout
out.
out is for both of us.
Both of us.
Cheers. Lekker hier in Swellendam, hè?
Gee ons nou al ons geheime hier weg. Always a star.
Oh, klap my hier en klap my daar. Jo, lekker. This is what I needed. After all the unpacking and everything, you must remember to enter the hot tub competition. It's going well.
There's only 2 weeks to go. You
Yeah.
must hurry up.
half a month and then it's all over. So if you don't enter, you cannot win.
You don't stand a chance.
So don't scream afterwards that oh, I never win. You must enter to win. If you don't enter, you can't win. You're not going to be part of the
And this
package.
is a big prize. When in your life will you ever be able to win another hot tub of 26,000 rand?
Right, yeah. Oh, you
I
almost
nearly
said dollars.
It
thank
is
you.
like $1 million.
And thank you for those that have entered already.
Yes.
I hope and pray that one of you are going to win it. You're definitely going to win it.
I just wanted to say.
But I hope the right one is going to win
Yeah, the one that's going to use it all the
it.
time.
You. I'm talking to you. You're going to win it. Yeah, you. Watching me now. You. Yeah, you're going to win it. Definitely. The one in the big TV. Yeah, you. Cheers, Mama. On a hot tub. I'm excited. Have you got your speech ready? Because you must phone the people.
Oh, I can't
Huh?
wait, I can't wait. I want to speak to you.
Oh, lekker, lekker. Mama, this is the life, huh?
Yeah,
Wow.
wee,
Yes.
wee.
I feel like a rich man today. I feel. Did you hear me? I feel
Yeah.
like a rich man.
Yeah.
I'm not a rich man.
Ja,
Rich man, poor man.
ja, rich man voor my. Jou voete stink.
My
man.
voete stink, man. Alles stink.
Sjoe,
I'm on my second brandy, Mama.
yes.
You still on your first one?
Ja, because why? Because you gooi like a dopper like
Yeah, but
that.
I just downed it and I just poured the last bit of the
Good
monster.
luck.
Sure, but this is lekker now. I've just put some more wood into
I
the
see
hot
that.
tub. You see the smoke? But it's hot. I just felt it.
So why did you put in some more wood?
So that it keep on going till 12 o'clock tonight.
Well, when are we getting in?
Just 5 to 12. Mama, but it's busy in this kitchen tonight, huh? My goodness. I'm preparing. I'm gonna make some lekker pap and sauce tonight. Some lekker krummelpap and tomato stew. I haven't had that in a long time. I'm like a Gautenger tonight, like a Wali, huh?
Yeah.
They like their pap.
Yeah, because you don't need a master class for that.
No, you don't need. So I'm not gonna do a master class
No,
tonight.
just the normal
Yeah,
showing you what we eat.
yeah. This is.
Because the sous chef is on vacation.
But I just want to show them something. I just add this to my. Can you see that? That is a Mexican-inspired garlic mix.
Oh, cookies.
Mama, I won't put it in for you because I know you don't like hot stuff. Because this is quite burny.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna make some for me. Definitely, I'm gonna add that to my tomato.
I don't know how you constitution hold all that chili stuff you eating.
My what? Constitution.
Yeah, your constitution.
My constitution sings beautiful. Why isn't this one? This must. Oh, it's almost there. It must boil. I must put the porridge in there.
Yeah,
Look,
but
I've got some
it's
lekker braai
quite
pap.
Quick.
Look at that, Jan pap.
Jan pap se braai
Jan
pap.
pap's a braai pap. So that's gonna go in there into the water,
Jan
and
pap.
the tomatoes are gonna go in there, and the garlic, Mexican-inspired garlic.
Ooh,
But I'll take some out for you before I put the garlic in.
Oh, you're so considerate.
I'm telling you.
Romeo,
What are you
oh,
making, Mama?
Romeo.
What are you making? A platter?
Yeah,
a
just a
chip dip.
little. Yeah,
Like a chip-a-dippy.
that's what you call it.
Lekker. I think these onions are almost ready now. I think I can add the tomatoes. I'm telling you, you're gonna lick your lips. Mama, this smells, you smell it.
I smell it.
It smells divine. Oh, I've got a little bit of
Vinegar?
vinegar. I couldn't get the name, but vinegar in there as well.
And some honey?
I've got some honey in there. Where's the honey? I've got some honey in there that they gave us.
And the rest is a special ingredient.
Yeah, and the porridge, the pap, stewed pap, krummelpap is almost done.
The special ingredient, can I tell them?
Ooh, that's almost done.
Can I tell them what's
That must
your
just steam a
special
little bit.
ingredient?
What is this? Where in what?
In that red
The
stuff.
sauce.
Yeah. Lots and lots of love.
Oh yes. But that was my love.
Romeo!
Mama, that was my love I put in there, huh?
I know. You've been making it.
And I must say, I just want to compliment this place. I love your utensils. I love these silicone
Silicone.
utensils. It's so
Very
nice.
nice.
My love, but I was just thinking.
Yeah?
I brought us some box shots again.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like having a shot.
Let's see what glasses they've got.
Yeah. Woo, that is almost done. Box shots, Papi. I know the vodka is finished, but doesn't matter. The shots still go on.
Okay, so.
Mama, we haven't even opened this cupboard yet.
No, come and look at this treasure chest.
There's a braaibak.
There's a braaiboek.
Braaibak,
A slaaibak.
A slaaibak in a braaibak.
And
Okay, where are we
there's
gonna?
no shot glasses, but
glasses.
this
Oh,
looks
goodness.
quite nice.
That's a big
It's a
lot.
tumbler.
That is too big. How can I put a shot in there?
You put a little bit and lots of ice. There you go.
Okay.
Do it.
I'll say, Mama, cheers.
Cheers.
Before the rain comes, look at that. It is very, very dark outside.
Outcast.
But we're not going to down this, huh?
No, it's like a half a cup.
we're gonna just sip it. You see, that's actually a big slug. And there's another 5, 6 in there.
I told you. For who is this?
It's for me and you, Papi. It's for me and you.
We are gonna charge elke keer. Oh, there goes the bow.
I see it.
Bow, maar go.
Yeah, you won't see it. It's very far.
Oh man.
Right
Why-
there, in the road there.
We're gonna hear him this.
What is a pow in English?
Peacock.
A peacock. Oh, you know. Well done.
We're gonna hear that peacock tonight. Hoe maak hulle?
Woo! Weet jy
Die
nou nie?
hele tyd.
Ja, on the peacock.
On the peacock.
May you not pee, but just be a cock.
No ways.
My love, I think my porridge are burning.
No
I must
man.
go and have a look.
That's all we have.
I wanted to bring you outside to have a drink
quick
with
conversation.
me. Yeah, but now I smell it. I smell it.
Oh no, please. Lekker.
No, man,
hè?
it's actually quite fine.
It's actually quite perfect.
It's perfect, yeah. Yo, no, that's almost done. I'm gonna leave the lid off now. Another 5 minutes, and that is like krummels.
Perfect.
Okay. Whew, that box shot is like in my head now.
And the best of all, it's not finished yet.
Yeah, it's in my ears. I can feel it in my ears.
Oh,
Huh?
flowering.
Oh, what are you gonna? Oh,
Ach,
I
I'm
must
just-
still do the meat. I must still marinate
it.
the meat. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just putting everything here because I'm
Yeah.
gonna get into the hot tub and never get out again.
Gooi het, papi, gooi het. You can put everything in.
Pork neck chops.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Pork neck chops is so versatile. You can actually use it in so many different ways.
Yes.
Like we've shown on our channel before.
Yeah, that's platgekapte.
Platgekapte anetjies, ja. And I see we've got some
Yes.
sausages.
Yeah, that
Some
is actually my
chicken
favorite.
skewers with bacon.
Yeah, I love that.
Oh, okay, Mama. But before you put that in there, I must
know.
do the
You must do the
sauce.
The sauce.
Yeah.
And then also we've got some beers and vark borsies.
Oh, those sausages with the cheese. There's actually cheese
Yeah,
as well.
They look a bit foul,
Yeah, they look funny, but they're quite nice.
They will, when
They,
they heat them up, they are quite.
Yeah, it's quite nice. Okay.
Wat
lekker.
lig jy sy bene so op?
I just
Die
have
hele tyd.
Just have to look if everything is nice and clean there.
Okay.
I'm going to take your platter out.
Yes.
And we're going to go to the hot tub.
Okay, so when are you going to
Everything is-
marinate the meat?
I can do
Focus
it
for my now.
Yeah, I'll do it now. Okay. My pap is finished. What do they call it? Sheba. My Sheba is finished.
Oh, and did you put the pig on the spit?
Oh my word, hoe skrik ek nou?
You forgot.
Hey! What are you doing inside, huh? Oh goodness.
Hey, Pumbaa.
I'm going to light the fire now. You won't see tomorrow.
No shame.
I'm just
Actually,
joking.
Quite
Yeah, it's a cute little
nice
piggy.
piggy. Just want to eat your legs all the time.
Yeah, it just hops everything.
Ja, Pumbaa, wat ruik jy?
Yep.
Ja, my ou pap. Wat you happy?
What a happy. Shoo, Mama. This is still my favorite place.
Yes, ja.
My favorite thing to do on our videos
Yes.
is doing a shout out and taking that first skiki.
Kiki.
And my second best thing of our videos is the hot tub. Oh, I love it. And your platters comes in third. Oh shit, nou maak ek vir my moeilikheid.
I think
okay.
this is the end of the platters.
I think that's the end of the videos. We're gonna shut this channel down. Mama, I didn't think before I spoke. Your platters is number 1.
No, don't lie.
That's number
don't
1.
Lie.
And
You'll
then the
have
brandy.
to work very hard to get that point sky high again.
And the brandy and monster is number 2. And the hot tub is number 3.
Oh, you lie. You lie. But it's okay.
Oh, lekker is daai. Wat is daai?
Lie.
That one.
Oh, that's a nice thing.
That is so
it's
nice.
a magic mix you buy at Pick n Pay. You put it in the bakkie and you take sour cream and you mix it all around.
Wow,
Then
that
you
is
get that.
so nice.
That magic.
Oh, Mama. And the olives is here.
Yes.
Mm.
This is the most amazing thing.
Those cheese balls.
Yeah, you eat it with a cookie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's lemon and
Can you
herb.
put one on for me, please?
I don't know if you're supposed to
I
do
just want to take a
this.
slurky.
Actually, moet ek net I must have a little
Oh my goodness,
Wait.
look at you.
with my fingers.
Look at you.
You do that.
Mama,
you
luckily I can
put
see your
an
fingers
oyster
is clean.
on if you want to.
An oyster.
Yeah,
We
on
haven't got
this.
oysters.
Ach,
A mussel.
whatever that is.
You don't eat oysters.
Ach, you just want to say you are so afraid of oysters, man.
You don't eat oysters. At least you eat mussels. You love my mussels. Cheers, Mama. You're not going to
Cheers.
eat anything tonight.
Yeah, I'm going to take one of these rolls. I love cheese.
Oh yeah. I see it. I'm like a pig now.
Munching away.
You know what will be nice with this one? Lots of garlic inside.
Oh, I thought you were going to say some lipstick.
Oh man. Mama, it's a family show.
But it's cheese.
Lots of lipstick, lots of garlic.
This is very nice.
A hot tub is such a nice thing. Huh?
Yeah, put your...
Yeah.
Never mind what.
It's
Get
so nice.
into the hot tub, you just get in another mood.
It's just, you just feel
This relaxed.
relaxed and different and just less vir die lewe.
Just lying there,
Huh?
thinking of nothing.
I love hot tubs. I've been in about 150 of them. But
That's a record.
but I still like.
That's African record.
I think me and
we
you-
must we'll start counting.
I think me and you have been in hot tubs more than most people in this country.
school years.
Maybe in the world. Huh?
Hi.
Maybe in the world.
We don't even know it. Maybe we broke a record
Yeah,
already.
we world record holders. This dip is just on its
Turkey.
last. Oh,
I just want to have...
you see there? That's what I say. Now everything must go. Now it's a special. It's a special. Everything must go.
2 for 1.
2 for 1. All for free.
All for free. That's how it works with subscribers. All for free.
All for free, yeah. You eat gherkins, eh? Yeah, you do. Is
Yeah.
it? What do you always take off your the kropslaai?
Yeah, if it only...
Off your burger,
I like kropslaai if it's in a salad.
but not on a burger.
No,
Mustn't be warm.
It mustn't be warm. Kropslaai is daai ding vir my. Pineapple. Pineapple, warm, hot,
Fine.
doesn't matter, that's good. But don't give me kropslaai hot. Or even warm. Hoeveel is daar van? Where are you, Hamlet?
Hamlet, I'm Romeo, man. I'm Romeo.
Now I'm confused. Who do you want to be?
Romeo.
Okay.
I want to be the romantic one. Papa.
Yes,
Papa's making fire.
Ooh, papa.
Huh?
Papi. Papi moet nie morsie.
Papa mors nooit. Papa het genoeg gemors in sy lewe.
Wee.
Dan sê, oh,
And there's
Mama,
your
you bring me all my
tongs.
utensils.
There's your spanky.
Thank you. And my drink.
I'm gonna lie down now.
Why? Huh?
Follow me.
Oh, that bed. That's my day bed, my
Jeez.
That's my
I'm just
bed.
thinking I'm gonna get myself dressed because it's quite cold
It's chilly,
outside. Yeah.
I think you do that.
Yes.
And then I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Putting on something dry and warm.
Yes, come.
Okay, this will go on.
Yeah, that will not
Nothing can go
stop.
wrong here. Yeah, okay. I'm behind you.
Come watch this.
You see,
nog droom op.
he's lying on the sheep skin.
Having nice
Hey,
dreams.
papi, jy gaan snork vanaand hierso.
Kijk hoe lekker.
Nooit. My love, it's on.
Yep.
Come have a look at the sunset. Have a look here. And this pig is just going crazy. Come and have a look here. Come stand in front here. Look at that.
Wow, okay.
Wow, huh?
Great.
That's beautiful.
Sure. Let's see.
Jeez.
Wow.
Wow, huh? It's romantic.
Mm.
Yo. It actually turned out quite a nice evening, huh?
Yeah, the winter's
Just no wind.
just gone.
Yeah. I wish we can have this weather in the Strand. In the Strand, the wind blows during the day,
What's the
and
chances?
in the evenings, it's gale force.
Yeah. It's
and
not
then
dying
tomorrow
down.
morning you wake up, it's dead quiet.
Yeah.
And then 2 hours later,
Tomorrow morning, you think you're gonna wake up 5 o'clock. It's raining
Yeah.
like a storm. 7 o'clock.
that
you
was
look
this
outside,
morning.
you say, did
Yeah.
it rain?
this morning, yeah. Phew, Mama, but I'm sweating. I'm telling you, that hot tub made me so hot.
But that is the whole.
Idea.
Yeah.
I know, in the winter, but I'm like sweating. Where's that pig? I'm sweating like a pig. Just don't. I didn't say that.
No, leave the pig
Not,
alone.
not like you. My love, you're still drinking something.
Yeah, but
You must finish this now.
Jeez, man.
Huh?
I just want to take a breather in between.
No, there's no time for breathers here.
Oh, my word.
It's full on now. It's full on. Huh? Come on. Cheers. Look him down. I'm not a downer.
Nou, you're upper.
How do they say? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. I'm not a downer, I'm a drinker.
Oh, ek sê vir jou.
Ek sê vir jou. Papi se tong is wel los vanaand. Listen to that. Did you hear it?
Oh, Marco. Oh,
Oh, goodness. Listen to this. Oh, wow.
so cut it now.
Oh. I think that one is yours.
Thank
This
you.
is a triple skiekie weer.
Oh. Jy gaan vanaand bed toe trippel.
Ja, van die triple skiekie. As I cheers. Mama, the sweet potatoes. I just realized now, we must still make the sweet potatoes in the fire.
Yeah, they're not gonna cook themselves.
Did you put them in the foil yet?
No, I'm gonna do it now.
With your whole thingy. The foil and the caramelized sugar and the butter and the whole shebang.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Lekker. You know what I like, huh?
Yep.
Mama, you're such a good wife to me.
Ach, I know.
Huh? Give me a
man.
kiss. Mm.
Let me fetch you the sweet potato. Potato.
Oh, Papi, I saw the wink. Have you got plans with me tonight? Mm. I just don't understand why people haven't got lights at the braai. It's so important. Luckily, I've got my own video light, but it's so important to have a light here. I mean, if you don't bring a light, how can you see what you're braaiing? But anyway, I just want to show you. I love putting this sticky jalapeno sauce from Jumping Jackal on our website. I love putting this over pork. It makes it so nice. I put it over everything, you're right, Mama, but on the pork it's just magical. Oh, you just tap it in like that. I just love it. And the other side. And then it goes onto the fire. Woo! Cool bananas. My love,
Yep.
I have taken some sauce out for you. You
Thank
see?
you. Thank you.
And now I'm going to add my
Oh, Mexican.
Mexican inspired garlic mix
mix. Okay.
to this. Look how lekker it's sizzling here. It's cooking. I think that's going to be enough, huh?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
That's enough.
Oh, lekker. And then you just give it a lekker stir.
The chef is in the house.
Puppy. And my pup is almost, yeah, look at it, it's steaming again. That's
And
hot.
there's the
This is hot.
Sweet potatoes at the back.
Sweet potatoes are at the back. They almost done. My meat is in here. They nice and hot.
Oh, it's
Mama,
lovely
I'm
to
telling
have
you.
a personal chef like this.
I'm telling you,
You won't believe.
the master chef is busy tonight. Oh.
Bring it to the table.
Hoe nice is die, huh?
From the bride to the table.
How
bring
nice
it.
is this? Oops,
Wow.
sorry. How nice is this, huh?
Food lovers market.
Jeez, this is so nice.
The Mexican twist.
Oh wow, wow! That just gives it a different. It's almost like
Culture.
My love, it's almost like an Indian.
I told you.
Spicy.
I think it's the cumin in there.
I don't know, but it is freaking nice.
Ja.
Azai. Okay, so I'm ready. If you're ready,
Lis vir hy pap my mond kwyling.
and you won't believe, she wasn't a pop eater.
Wow.
When I met you, you didn't like pop.
There was little things I ate when I met you.
Now you just eat everything. Mama, yeah, that's hot. This
Okay.
is cooking. This is hot.
Okay.
You think this is soft?
Ja, ja.
Oh, they soft.
Very soft.
Yeah, they soft. Okay,
Okay, so now,
we can eat.
from the bride to the table. Quick, quick.
Woo! My love, huh? Here we go.
Yes.
And I promise you're gonna get hot food tonight. Look at this. It is steaming. It's steaming. It's steaming. Oh, I'm gonna just put it down there. I hope this pig isn't gonna take it. And this is also nice and hot. And then this is hot. Mama, you want a...
Little one.
This pig is not going to leave this stuff alone. Put it that side, please. Put it on there. Living on a farm isn't easy. Huh? But just on that note, I'm going to open myself a... Oh, lekker klap, hè? Een lekker BC rooiwijntje. Nice. Which one is this? This is the Ruby Cabernet.
Ruby Cabernet.
It's a Merlot. It's a Merlot. It's a Merlot.
It's like Fanta grape.
Yeah, it's like yeah, 500 grape. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of the white wine.
Look like the
This is, I think this is not a Sauvignon, this is a Chenin.
Chenin.
Chenin Blanc,
Yeah?
papi.
Yeah.
Chenin Blanc with the
Nice.
2 stickers.
Good, go.
Lekker.
Go
I say
for
cheers, my
gold.
love. Once again, it was a very, very, very nice evening. Thank you. I'm just so happy that I'm giving you hot food tonight.
Yes, let me
Everything
put
is
something in
cooked
before
through.
it's cold.
Yeah, I'm just looking forward to this pop and sauce. Huh? Oh, I can't wait for that. But I'm first going to take a sip. You didn't take a sip. It's bad luck.
Oh, shit.
Bad luck. Bad luck. Oh, I love this wine. Oh my goodness, I love this wine. Oh, Merlot it's always a favorite of mine. Okay, this is your sauce. This is my sauce.
Okay.
My love.
Where's the small... That one.
I'm gonna just gooi some of this in my plate. Oe's lekker krummel, hè? This pig is eating my
Feet.
big toe. What's sy naam?
Pumbaa.
Pumbaa! Stop it! He's eating my big toe. Okay, you also want some of this.
My big
Take the small one, man. Hey, take the small one. Yeah, that one. Ooh, this stew, my scuttable, this stew is just to die for. This is mine with a sticky sauce on it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Don't let
so-
me confuse it.
We can enjoy this, Mama. Another day done and dusted in paradise. We were at the palm trees this afternoon.
Yeah.
Now we're in our garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden.
And it's a beautiful evening.
Very
it is
nice.
so nice. There's no wind.
And tomorrow we're going to Club Mykonos and we're gonna feed the donkeys.
Club Mykonos.
Club Mykonos is near Greece and there's a lot of donkeys if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, they take the people down
Yes.
to the
That
beach.
is where I wanna be.
Oh, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Dat gaan maar donor. Yes. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, good morning. So I'm on my second cup of coffee this morning. But I just want to show you, we had some rain last night and just look at this. It is so nice outside now. No wind, it's fresh. You know that, I wish you guys can smell it through the camera. You know that rain smell on a farm? Yo, it is just so nice now outside. Look at this. It's beautiful. Morning, my love.
Morning,
You look
morning.
beautiful this morning in your pink. And what is this, pink or purple?
It's
So in between. Pinkish coat.
Yeah.
Baadjie. Yeah, how lucky are we? Huh?
Ach no man, you just took the words out of my mouth. I just wanted to say, what a lucky lady am I.
Yeah.
I get up in the morning, before I get up, I get a coffee. After the coffee, he gets up, shower, make this whole breakfast,
I love it.
and then
You just
I
come and
just
sit
come
down.
and sit, yeah.
Huh?
So I just want to make sure, I just want to say, if you're getting married, make sure you marry a gem like this.
Not a gem.
gem.
Make sure you marry somebody that like to make food.
Thank you for spoiling me every day, all day long.
Mama, we're drinking some BC Wines sparkling grape juice this morning.
lekker.
No wine for us this
I
morning
love that.
because we were catering last night after the supper on that wine, and I can feel it this morning.
Ja, kyk hoe klein is my oortjies.
I can feel it. But listen, you've got this fairy tale lifestyle, né?
Ja, I have to thank you for that.
Yeah, you've got this fairy tale lifestyle. So today, when we finish here, I'm going to take you to see your family.
Oh,
Hint, hint. That's just a clue.
it's not a zoo.
It's a clue. Not a zoo, it's a clue. So I'm going to show you your family today.
Okay,
huh?
okay.
Okay. But Mama, dig in, enjoy, cheers.
Cheers.
This is going to be lovely. And Kate, thank you very much for the spoils.
Organizing
Yeah.
everything for us.
I've someone used a whole packet of bacon this morning.
Oh,
So we're gonna go big.
oh my word.
Cheers. I wonder how many people actually drive into Swellendam. We
Yeah.
all just
Pass by.
pass by here at the top road, yeah. But it's actually such a beautiful little town.
Yeah, it
Well,
is.
it's not that little anymore.
I just want to say.
Yeah, it's quite big.
Yeah.
But it's so nice with all the trees and
And
Green.
have you ever seen all the guest houses in
yeah,
this
it's
place?
amazing.
Yo.
Yeah, no, it's a and we've been coming here to the agricultural show for
Yes,
many years.
for very
I
long.
think 23 years or something. And it's such nice people that lives here. They're all so friendly. We've actually met some people over the years, and yeah, they're very, very friendly people.
It's like it's a farm community,
Yeah,
that's why.
yeah, and everybody knows each other.
Yeah.
It's so nice to stay here.
Yes. This is now the main road.
This is the main road, yeah. We're gonna see if we can find your family.
You haven't told them what it is.
No,
It's not elephants,
no, it's not elephants. It's small things.
because they say small things amuse small minds.
Is it? Okay. You're telling me that you've got a small mind.
It's getting less and less.
Smaller and smaller. Oh, no. I love, we stayed here once.
Yes. I remember.
You remember there? We stayed there last year with a gift, at gift.
Yes.
We stayed there with when we were doing the show.
Yes, I remember.
I think we're going to do that next year again.
Yeah, it was a nice place.
Yeah. Okay, here we are, huh? The fairy sanctuary, Mama. That's what why I said this morning. You're living in a fairy tale. That was the hint.
Yeah. The continent of Sulina.
The continent of Selena.
Yeah.
Sulina.
Yes.
It's open. Wow,
Oh.
it's nice and it's so green.
Starts with a bang.
Starts with a bang, yeah. Just press
Please
the bell.
ring the bell once and we will come let you in.
49 per person. Kids under 2 free.
Okay.
So you can take me in free, Mama.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just going to pay
A
for
little
you.
boy.
You're sitting already, eh? We're going to walk now. Mama, just look behind you. It's like a man-made waterfall, but wow, it's beautiful. Huh?
Yes.
Jeez.
This is one of those places where you must look everywhere.
Everywhere. There's hidden gems all over. Yeah.
Everywhere.
So let's start.
Okay.
Let's go. She said we must go this way.
Yeah, look
to
at
the
this
right.
nice garden here.
Sure.
The gnomes.
I think we're going to see a lot of these.
Ooh, yeah, it's going to take time, so you must be very gentle.
Patient. I must
and
be
patient.
patient.
That's the word.
I'll walk behind you.
Okay. Ooh, hier sit hulle.
Yo.
Yo,
That is ridiculous, huh?
all the
Gee.
gnomes. Gnomes, well known as symbols of good luck. Originally, gnomes were thought to provide protection, especially of buried treasures and gems in the ground.
Huh.
Be positive
Be
today.
positive.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm always positive, Mama.
Yes, the fairies. Oh, take me back many years when Zaan-Marie was a little child. I had a fairy garden with,
I actually
you remember
that.
that?
I
The
remember
little
that.
fairies
Yeah,
that was there.
I remember that. I think the kids will go crazy here.
Yeah, the children, we're going to bring the little ones.
Yeah, the babies, but
Oh,
only when they
a bit older.
when they understand.
Yes.
Jeez, but
Be
this is
happy. This is a lot of work
yeah, this
and
is
a lot
different.
of collecting.
I'm telling you, I don't know where they got all of this.
There is enough time to dream. Yes, there is. Oh,
Phew, but there's many of them.
pixies.
Jeez.
This is pixies. Ach, but it's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, dit is so mooi.
Wow.
Ooh.
I'm just going to walk through it quickly because I see you're going to take a long time.
Kyk, hy lang pad nog aan na agter toe.
Yeah. There's so many of these things. Wow.
Oh, dis net so mooi.
This is next level, huh?
Pixies. Pixies may be small, but they are rich in magical power.
Huh.
They often use their powers to bring a smile to the face of a human friend.
Will you be their friend?
I'm already friends. Oh, this is so amazing. Fairies
And there's
are real.
Playground as well.
Unicorns.
kiddies.
Ooh. Yo, these magical beings are here to remind us of our own inner power, our soul purpose and the magic within us all.
Met 'n muis en there's two mouses here.
Two
Huh?
mouses.
Look at this.
This is very nice.
And
Jeez.
the tree is smiling.
Yeah, all the way. I am
Mama.
beautiful.
Do you want a picture there
Yes, please.
by the butterfly?
Yes, please.
I'll take one for you. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Such a beautiful butterfly, you. Look at these dragons. Huh. There's some scary ones here.
Yeah, but it makes such a nice picture. Oh, I don't know where to look. Is a beach thing going on with mermaids.
I love the water that's falling all over.
Yeah,
So
it's very
tranquil.
nice.
Just
Now we
look at this.
mustn't miss any.
I love these
Oh,
millions and millions and millions of fairies.
We
here.
have to take it piece by piece.
Jeez,
Ooh,
this is ridiculous.
believe in the magic.
Phew. You are
Wow.
special, Mama.
Huh?
Here we go. You are special.
Happy moments.
Oh,
Yo,
sure. They've got a coffee station here as well. 25 rand for a cappuccino, and you can sit here between all the dwarfs. It's so tranquil here.
kyk eens hoe kruip hulle hier weg.
Ah. Mama, you're gonna fill up your phone. You just take pictures, huh?
Can't just stop. It's so beautiful.
Jeez.
And I love the little messages
Yeah.
that's always everywhere.
I have the power to overcome all negatives.
Yes, there you go, there you go. Oh,
Oh, look at that. Look behind there.
ooh, wow.
Huh?
Beautiful.
I can just see you with your grandchildren
Children.
there with the babies. We can go in there. You can walk in there.
Okay, wait. I just want to take
Go
a
and stand
picture.
next to them. I'll take a picture of you.
Okay.
Mama, they've got me and you here as well.
Oh, Peter Pan.
You see? You are love.
Yes, very much so.
Ah. I'm trying to kiss you, but I see you giving me the cheek.
Oh, goodness.
But why? Why, I want to know.
This is beautiful.
Beautiful, huh?
Oh, my word. Oh, I want to take them home.
Did you read there, my love? It's
Yes.
okay to be different.
That's good
I've been
news.
telling you that your whole life. It's okay to be different.
Now I believe you.
Okay, this is the gallery, but apparently we're not allowed to film inside there. They say no cameras allowed, but just quickly
Oh, sure.
from far. Okay, I'm not going to focus on anything. I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like inside here. Yo, just look at this, look at this, look at this. My goodness. Gee whiz.
Now this is worth a visit.
Yeah, definitely.
Yo, oh, my moeder. Nee.
Voor de babies.
Hier moet ons bly.
Yo. My goodness, just look at this. This is unreal. Mama, how was that? Huh?
What an experience this
Yes,
was.
I'm telling you, huh?
I'm definitely waiting till my two little grandchildren are like 3 years old and
And the
then I'm
girls-
going to bring them here.
The girls will love it. yeah.
Oh my word.
So all you grandmas and grandpas out there, bring your kids, grandkids here.
Phew.
Yes, it's crazy. They will love it.
And everything in there is handmade.
Yeah, that's just unreal. Sure.
You must be talented to think out all
And they
the
make it
different
themselves.
fairies.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna feed the donkeys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just look at this, my love. We were away, and look at this.
Phew.
The hot tub is burning again.
Lekker, lekker, lekker.
They've lit the hot tub for us again, cleaned it up, put the
Yes.
cover on again.
Nice
this place has
new
got-
wood.
Huh? New wood, my goodness. This place has got good service, huh?
Yes.
Yes, I
yeah.
love it.
Yes. Ooh.
Mama, a rose garden.
Wow, look at this
Huh?
beautiful purple roses.
Jeez.
It's a Keith rose, this one.
Keith one.
A Keith rose, this one.
How do you know that?
I know
It's the same color as your
it's
jacket.
speaking to me.
It's speaking to you.
Yeah, the Keith
Oh,
rose.
Mama, this is beautiful.
Beautiful.
We missed this yesterday.
Imagine this with candles.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Sure. Oh, there's a bunkie. You can sit there.
Yes.
I'll bring you a wine later.
Oh, great. See you later.
Yeah, I'll bring you a wine. Ah, say.
Kleintjies.
Yeah, we must still come and I tell you what, this afternoon we come and have a drink here. Huh?
Yes, that will be nice.
That'll be nice. Just here by these
'n sundownertjie.
two chairs and the table, yeah. We sit here. Look, that hot tub is also growing.
Wow.
Yo, this place is full, huh?
Ja.
Jeez. So we come and sit here this afternoon. Have a lekker sun. Oh no, it's not going to be sun, but we can just pretend.
Pretend and watch the horses.
Yeah, I just want to sit here. It's so beautiful here.
Very
Sure.
nice.
Okay, so where's the donkeys?
Also in there.
Can we walk in that camp there?
Yes, come.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Ah, say, Poppy, you're back in Marloth again, huh? Marloth Park.
Kan ek aan jou kop vat?
This one is just,
Hallo.
this is not a zebra. This is just the one without the stripes.
Hallo.
Huh.
Wie skedonk? Is jou naam skedonk
Skadonk.
of is dit die kleintjie? Hallo.
Is dat skedonk?
Ja. En wat
Hey,
dink is
look
die
at this.
kleintjie?
I didn't do anything to you. Huh?
Ooh.
Jo,
O, frek, jy het hulle ook wortels.
geef hom 'n wortel.
Vat jy die wortel vir hom?
Here we go. Eet hom.
Eet hy wortels?
Byt hom.
O, my koek nou wil almal hê.
Nee,
Jy eet die
Hy
wortels.
eet dit.
sê. Ja, jag hom weg. Hy gaan vir al jou kos opvreet.
Hy wil nie wortel hê nie. Kom ons gaan gee vir die ander donkies ook. Kom. Kom. Kom.
Dis die ma. Dis die moeilike ma.
Look at the small one.
Hallo.
Hey, so this is the father.
Huh?
Is
I'm
this the
not
father?
sure. I'm not
I'll give
sure
the small
who's
one
who.
Kom.
Ag, mam, my moeder.
Oh.
Koek, skrik ek nou vir hierdie groot ding hier agter my. Nee jong, bly daar. En nou gee.
Byt hom.
Hierdie donkie wil nie vir my laat verbykom nie. Hierdie donkie wil nie vir my laat verbykom nie. Okay, nou gaan ek gaan. Kyk, kom hy my uit. Okay, dis nou een.
Hierdie kleintjie wil nie dit eet nie.
Wat? Skedonkie.
Hy's te dom.
Skedonkie, skedonkie.
Hy's te dom.
Hallo skedonkie.
Byt hom. Byt. Waar is jou tande? Het jy nie tande nie?
Kom mamma.
Hierso mamma. Mamma's kwaad.
Kyk hierso mammaatjie. Byt. Nee, wag.
My love,
Hey.
just look where you are.
Byt.
You're in between the animals on a farm, huh? How lovely is that?
Hierdie een wil net alles eet.
And just look around us.
Hallo
The
skedonkie.
mountains. Oh, it's so beautiful here.
Hallo skedonkie.
Wow.
Ek dink hy kan sulke grootes eet hier. Kyk, vat 'n klein happie.
He's got no teeth, man.
Ag, kyk. Hap. Okay.
Sy het nie tande nie.
Hy kan net bietjies. Skedonkie.
The mother is just angry.
She's very angry.
Very angry. Come on.
Oh, kom. Hap 'n klein stukkie.
Or shy. I'll put it there for you. Ja,
Yes,
eet
maar
hom.
jy's 'n vraat hoor. Kom
Ah,
eet
she
hom
wants
nou.
it, but she doesn't want to take it from me.
Oh, kokolalas.
Number 56. This is number 56. I love,
Hey.
huh? You're
Surrounded.
you're very popular now.
Nee,
Oh.
nee, dis lelik. Dis skedonkie sin.
Oh, mama, run.
Oh my word.
Hier, hy sakkie vir my. He's gonna bother you the whole time.
Oeh,
Kom,
wat jy agter jou
Kom.
aanloop.
ja, kom.
Ek dink, kom skedonkie. Kom skedonkie. Kom skedonkie, moeder man, jy's te
As
oulik.
jy my byt, gaan jy moeilikheid kry.
Hallo skedonkie.
Ja, turn around.
Ek kom hy nou vir my. Nee. Nie meer loop. Nee, ek het nie meer nie. Nee.
Hey, stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Ek het nie meer nie. Kief sy ore trek plat.
Stop it. This was interesting. Huh? Your heart. Your heart rate went up now.
Kom maar alweer.
Ah, sy.
Hy lyk nou sommer moeilik.
Ja, maar
Maak die hek oop.
Hy's kwaai vir jou, ja.
Hoekom? Want hy het al die wortels opgevreet.
Nou, you wanna leave me inside here? Whoa.
O, hel, die diere is nou omgeëlie.
As my love, you've been blessed by all the fairies today.
Ja.
You've almost been eaten by a donkey.
Dankie. Mooi, hoor. What an exhilarating weekend.
What a weekend, huh?
Yes, so.
But I think we say goodbye here.
Yes.
We're gonna just take it slow
Ja,
today.
jy moes take me to hospital.
We're gonna get back into that warm hot tub
Ja.
and maybe
Relax.
just have a couple of wines again.
Ja.
I feel like having some wine today. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
Yeah, me neither, yeah, but it's just so nice. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place.
Just look at this picture. So.
This is really farm stay at its best. Just
Yes.
because you can feed the animals as well. You can
Yeah.
walk in between them. It's quite an experience.
Yeah, even the cows are friendly.
Yeah, they don't bite. And the pigs as well.
Yeah, and the pigs.
But okay, thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you on the next one.
Yes.
Plenty more to come.
Yeah.
I know about them, so we're very excited. There's one that I'm very excited for, but I think that's going to be the last one for the year. That's going to be cool.
Yes.
All right, see you. Bye.
Bye.